So I'm Kevin Teen. I'm the Customer Success Manager at Aloft. Most people know Aloft for drone airspace and authorizations in controlled airspace. We handle 70 to 90% of those LANC authorizations in the US. Beyond just flying compliantly in controlled airspace, we also help with the fleet management. So keeping track of those flight logs, any workflow steps like checklists, risk assessments, any procedural things that we need to make sure we're doing, not only stay compliant with the FAA, meet our insurance requirements, waiver requirements, internal risk management audits and things like that. So we track flight logs, flight hours, maintenance, incidents for the aircraft. Same thing for the pilots. We track certifications, training, flight hours, qualifications, anything along those lines. That all plays into the deeper reporting and pulling those metrics out of your program. So where are we getting the most bang for our buck using our drones? Which teams are the most active? Maybe we need to shift things around. The software will help you identify and pull some of that out. What we're showing today, beyond just the fleet management and pilot management tools, is more airspace management. So some of our customers are now flying beyond line of sight waivers, like you see on the map here. There's a large BVLOS corridor there. They're pulling in radar, remote ID, ADS-B from different manufacturers, different sensors out there. And so great, we plug in this equipment, it's starting to ping things in the airspace. What do we do with that information? How do we visualize it? How do we make it available not only to our operators, our planners, but even maybe other groups around us that we might be operating with, whether that's multi-jurisdictional, media companies with insurance companies, cooperating with police during a response or something along those lines. So visualizing that in a simple to use interface. Our airspace is really focused on the 400 foot and below for drone operators. And so having all of this information, all of that data in one central system of record is where Aloft comes in.